Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is a dealer key original for Chrysler. Let's go together and try to program it. We are using so this is the car and this is a new key. This key is original. So I'm gonna, here is the paperwork for it, like the part number. That's the part number, I believe. Okay, we are going to put it here, and as soon as you put it in, you're gonna see a message here. It will say key not programmed or something. That's the first message, and then service tire pressure system and ignition accessory on. Supposed to get a like key not program. Let me try to crank it. No crank. Okay, I'm gonna use this tool here, and I will go to IMO. I will accept by VIN number, auto detect. Sorry. Is it a Chrysler? Yes, it's a Chrysler Town and Country. Chrysler. Let me lock the door. Okay, if there's a programmed key, please turn the ignition on. Okay, I'm gonna say okay. We're gonna wait a little bit. Smart key or blade key or fob key. This is a fob key. 2011. It's okay. Keyless entry. $54.74. That's the password. Scanner. Okay. Now we're gonna check. Okay, let's add a key. Wow, this is couple of numbers. We'll say okay. Okay. Now we're gonna go by first one. Succeed. Number of the key 4. Do you want to read the pin code again? I say no. Skip. For the PEP, please remove the star button and insert the key to learn. Otherwise, insert the key in the ignition. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Slide supposed to go off. We're gonna wait a little bit. Now we have 5 keys. No. Do you want to program another key? I would say no. So 5 keys. Skip. let me see now. Car start. Okay, let me take it out. Beautiful. Remote start work. We're gonna check the sliding door. Yes, done. It's open. I'm gonna check the other one. Yes. The last one is the trunk. Oh, that's the starter, this one. Yes, good. So I'm gonna close that one now. This one, 1, 2, 2. What's the quality car? Now, right side door. This is the left, this is the right. Right side door, sliding door. Okay. This one here also is like this. This is the car. This one here, 2 times. Horn. Remote starter disabled. Start the car to reset. You know, like if you do one remote starter, you cannot do it again. You have to start and you stop it. You may have to start the car again to enable it. So I'm gonna put it in, start it. Perfect. We have airbag light on. It's supposed to go off. If it's not, I'm gonna diagnose this quick. Okay. You have to go out of here. For diagnosis, you have to go completely out. Completely out here. Out. Exit, yes. Now you're gonna go to VIN. Maybe this is also not good, so go to home. Diagnose. VIN. Auto detect. I want to know why this airbag light is on. Chrysler. Look here, beautiful scent of the kid driving motorcycle. Summertime. Okay, it's dangerous, but what are you gonna do? So okay. I just want to check your airbag why it's on.
What?
I just want to check your airbag why it's on.
Oh, it's on. Oh, because I don't know. I have to go. You guys see?
No, it's only 1 minute. It's done already. Maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes.
You keep coming off and on.
Huh? Yeah? I just want to show you what it is and then.
Huh?
I'm going to show you what it is, what needs to be done.
That's not anything.
Okay.
I don't want to lose that tow truck driver, man, to that pay extra.
So read codes.
He's going to tell me I've been waiting that picture.
Okay. Okay, Ferris row, passenger seat belt buckle. Ferris row. Passenger seat belt buckle. Ferris row. Ferris row. This is the Ferris row, the second row. This is the Ferris row. So maybe the seat belt buckle there. They have an issue.
Okay, let me know, boss.
Yeah, okay. So that's the code. Let me turn it off.
Supposed to leave that thing till tomorrow. But
Okay.
it's in the old key.
I have my 8 second, 4 second, Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.